Number 6. The Junk Seller. Have you ever met a kabadi wali? A woman who sells junk? You know what, kids? This is a true story of Kiran, who has a junk shop in Patna. Kiran studied in Hindi medium school in her village. Her father wanted girls to study like boys. That's great. When Kiran was in school, she loved the subjects Hindi and science, but hated maths. Now maths is the most useful subject for her work. She had never imagined this in school. What about you? Do you find maths difficult? Well, I suppose not. All right. Kiran was in class 8 when her father died in an accident. Very sad. So, her mother worked as a servant in some houses. Very difficult time it was. Of course, I can imagine. Kiran had to leave the school after class 8. She wanted to study more, but she had to marry. Her husband's family lived in a mud house. His 2 brothers and his sister did not go to school. He had a tea stall, and with it they had very less income. As you may also know, though the cost of a cup of tea at a hotel is rupees 20, but at a tea stall it is rupees 5, which is very less. Question. Now suppose if a person who runs a tea stall earns rupees 30 in a day, how much will he earn in 10 days? And how much in a month? We can do this by multiplication. In 1 day, rupees 30. Then in 10 days, correct, rupees 30 into 10. So the earnings in 10 days would be rupees 300. And in a month, that is 30 days, well, it would be 30 into 30. So the earnings in a month would be rupees 900. Kiran decided to help her husband. She thought of starting her own business. She wanted to open a bangle shop or a tailor shop. But her uncle said that she could earn a lot by opening a junk shop. In 2001, Kiran and her mother-in-law opened a junk shop. For that, she took a loan of rupees 8,000. Have you ever heard of someone taking a loan? Well, let me explain you with an example. Harya and Babu wanted to buy a handcart for rupees 300. Harya took a loan of rupees 300 from a bank for 6 months, and he will pay rupees 51 every month to the bank. But Babu took a loan of rupees 300 from Chunnilal. After 6 months, he will pay rupees 360. Who has to pay back more, Harya or Babu? Let us find out. Harya paid back to the bank 6 into 51, that is rupees 306. Babu paid back to Chunnilal after 6 months rupees 360. So it is clear that Babu paid back more than Harya. Now Kiran has a Pakka house with electricity. Also she has a fridge, TV and a gas stove. Her daughter also goes to school. Besides the junk shop, Kiran has 9 rickshaws and she gives them on rent. Every day she gets rupees 20 for each rickshaw. But on Sundays she do not take any money from them. How much does Kiran earn from 9 rickshaws in a day? We can get this answer in different ways. For 1 rickshaw, rupees 20. So for 9 rickshaws, yes, 9 into 20. Sapna did like this. 9 times 2 is 18. So 9 times 20 is 180. But Sagar did it in this way. He calculated for 10 rickshaws and then subtracted the amount for 1 rickshaw which he took extra. Now can you tell how much does Kiran earn from 1 rickshaw in 1 week? Well, 1 week means 7 days. But Kiran does not take any money on Sunday. Remember? So the number of days would be 6. So earnings in 1 week would be 6 into 20, that is rupees 120. Now observe these multiplications. 2 into 6 is 12. 20 into 6 is 120. 2 into 60 is 120. 3 into 42 is 126. 4 into 80 is 320. 4 into 81 is 324. As 4 into 81 is 4 more than 4 into 80. 9 into 25 is 225. 31 into 9 is 279.